Hey, hey everybody, I'm back again. Just wanted to show you some progress about what was being done with this bridge. So far I got like this. I had to carve out some channels in here. It seemed to work out pretty good. Nice little channels fit in here. Close these together and sandwich them. All I have to do next is epoxy this together. It's not going that well, very well. But anyway, it fits in here. Here, let's do this. This fits in here like this. This fits on top. Upside down. No wonder it wouldn't fit. It's like, why does it won't fit? So yeah. That's pretty much the bridge right there. And all I need to do now is epoxy this together with clamps. Once the clamps are all together, once I clamp this all up like this baby will be finished carved, and I make my hole placements and we're ready to go with a new bridge. So hopefully you guys got something out of that. I didn't want to bore you with a bunch of cutting it out. I already showed you some of the way I was going to lay it out. So matter of just carving out the channel that I had inside there with my little template. And so now that I got that, now I've got this bridge that it's now in its like third stage of being glued up, and then kind of finish profiling it, because it's kind of rough, but I've got it kind of in the guesstimate part. And then I just kind of clean it up and round it off, make it look good, and then when I'm ready, I could start putting the holes in and putting the guitar back together. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing that, and that's all I have to show. Thanks. Have a good evening. Hello, I'm back again. Check this out. I glued it up, and this is what it looks like for right now. It's can be glued together, sandwiched together here, and once this cures, I'll finish carving out the details and then polishing, and then I guess this guitar will probably be ready. Whoops, I gotta put holes in it and then get ready to get this guitar ready to play. So yeah, that's about all I can show you about what I've got going on here. It's a little bit of some bleed out there. No big deal, just kind of scrape that off. But this is pretty much what it looks like. Nice, and made sure that the end to end from, let's see, from here to here were even before I glued this thing up. From here to here, make sure these are even, because if I don't have these even, it's gonna look all crooked and stuff and not square on the guitar. So it looks much better now. It's nice and square. And so anyway, not a whole lot to show on that. Just want to say this is the progress on this. Talk to you later. On the update, I was able to finally get this thing going. This is the bridge. Yay! So anyway, the bridge has been glued together with epoxy. Now all I need to do is shape it, form it, and put holes in it, and then after that I'll just take and polish her up and make it look good. Should be good as new, and then put it on the guitar and string her up with new tuners that are relict. Yay! So that's pretty much the progress on that, folks. Hope you enjoy the videos. If you'd like to see more, let me know. Bye. Well, welcome back to another segment. Well, I was able to carve out the rest of the bridge. Looks very nice. Nice and square. Nice and even. I even got a nice little profile on the thing to match. You can see that, a little profile there. And it looks beautiful, nice and shiny. I've carved it out, used the sander over here, and carved this thing out, sanded it up, put some grit on there, and then lightly polished it. I don't want to make it too like brand new looking, because this is supposed to be kind of like a vintage style appeal, but all in all, it still looks good. So this is the bridge so far, all made up, done up, and it looks beautiful. It's got a nice little profile on there at 10 inches radius. And next I will be putting in the holes, cutting the holes out for this. So yeah, here it is, cutting these holes out, cutting these holes out, and I will bring over the guitar. I will line it up and take and line these up on the ends so that when the strings go on, they go on nice and flow. So sorry about the jumpiness of the camera. Anyway, this is the bridge I'm finishing up on. Put some holes in it, and then we're ready to assemble. Talk to you guys later. Bye. I just want to give a development on the tuners. I was able to take and relic these babies, take out this shiny ass chrome from when they were brand new looking. Brand new, shiny chrome. Now I reliced them a little bit, because you don't want to make them put brand new tune. Well, some people would, but it kind of makes the guitar that's 110 years old look kind of out of place, putting brand new tuners on it. So anyway, I reliced these, and it took a lot of work, just a little bit of sanding here and there with some good old 600, 800 grit. Just take the shine off. I don't use chemicals or acids on these. In fact, if you look at these are just almost pretty close, except these do have more of a worn effect to them. But I don't want to take it completely out, because then the copper starts to show through on these. So anyway, the tuners, these are the old tuners. You'll see they have that little stripe look to them. If I can get the light to hit it just right. Anyway, these are the old tuners, and these are the new tuners. I just took these ones and reliced them. I sanded them, and then I stained them, and then I colored them, and then I restained them. It's kind of a layering process to get the amber effect of age, which is similar to this color here. In fact, almost quite the same color. The only difference is that these may be a little bit more on the saturated color side, which is no problem. I can dull that effect, but it's still, they look really good as far as age tuners go. So that's the update on this.